Hey guys, today we're going to do a speaker comparison of the Jbl Flip 4 versus the Jbl Flip 3. And the song we're going to play is Post Malone Rockstar with 21 Savage in there too, so let's go. We're going to start with the Jbl Flip 3.
I've been fucking hoes and popping pillies, man, I feel just like a rock star. All my brothers got that gas and they always be smoking like a rock star. Fucking with me, call up on no Uzi and show up, man, them the shot toss.
Okay, so you heard for yourself, that was the Flip 3, now let's go to the Flip 4.
I've been fucking hoes and popping pillies, man, I feel just like a rock star. All my brothers got that gas and they always be smoking like a rock star. Fucking with me, call up on no Uzi and show up, man, them the shot toss.
Okay guys, so that was the first part of the song. In my opinion, they both sound about the same. Okay, now we're going to do the second half of the song. And this time we're going to go at a higher volume, and we're going to start with the Flip 4, so let's go.
I've been in the hills, fucking superstars, feeling like a pop star. Drinking Henny, bad bitches jumping in the pool, and I ain't got on no bra. Hit her front or back, pulling on the tracks, and now she screaming out no more. They like Savage, why you got a 12-car garage?
Okay guys, now time for the Jbl Flip 3.
I ain't with the cake and how you kiss that. Your wifey say I'm looking like a whole snap. Green honeys in my safe, I got old racks. LA bitches always asking where the coke at. Living like a rock star, smash out on a cop car. Sweeter than a Pop-Tart, you know you are not hard. I didn't make the hot chart, remember I used to chop hard. Living like a rock star, I'm living like a rock star. I've been fucking hoes and popping pillies, man, I feel just like a rock star.
So that was the test of the Jbl Flip 3 and the Jbl Flip 4. In my opinion, the Jbl Flip 4 had a bit better bass, but it's really not that noticeable. I mean, if you come in from the Flip 3 to the Flip 4, you're not going to notice, like, a lot of difference in terms of the bass. But there definitely is a minor improvement. I can tell that they've improved it. But I do think the styling is a little better. I mean, it's not like a major difference between the two, but the major reason that this is a good speaker right here versus the Flip 3 is the waterproofing. Like, that's just a reason you should flip over from the Flip 3 to the Flip 4. I mean, and the Flip 3 isn't really that much, like, cheaper than the Flip 4. I mean, it's almost like you should just go for the Flip 4 anyways, unless you really just don't have money. But if you're at the Flip 3 right now, I wouldn't recommend until, like, maybe, like, the next Flip that they make, like the Flip 5 or something. But if you're, like, on the market right now looking for a new speaker, I would definitely go with the Flip 4. So that was our test today, and thank you for watching. Subscribe for more content like this.